Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
With this natural recipe, your facial hair will disappear forever. Probably the biggest aesthetic problem for women all over the world is the problem of unwanted facial hair. It is extremely irritating and it even affects women's self-confidence. In order to get rid of facial hair, women use numerous different treatments like depilation, whitening, and they even go to the point of shaving the unwanted hair. All these solutions are not that effective, especially on the long run. Some of the women also use laser removal, but it is an expensive treatment, and not everyone can afford it. If you are one of those women, you are in the right place, since I will provide you with an amazing solution that has been proved to be effective and it has been used for centuries now by the women from the Middle East. The best thing beside being efficient is that you can use it at home. It is a mixture that not only removes hair, it also smooths the skin and makes your skin look healthy and shiny. This is because the ingredients used for its preparation are a rich source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Skin is the largest organ of the body, and every woman should pay special attention to skin care, because everything you apply on your skin goes directly into the bloodstream. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. Preparation: mix all the ingredients together until you get a smooth texture. Once prepared, apply the mixture on the area where you want to remove hair. Allow it to stay for 15 minutes and then wash it with warm water. In the end, apply your usual facial cream. In order to get the best results, repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times weekly. You will be surprised by the results after just 1 month. The hair will disappear completely. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.